until at last Pooh fell fast asleep and began to dream.
Heffalump and Woodle, Heffalump and Woodle, Heel honey, beware.
They're black, they're brown, they're out, they're in, they're out, they're all about, they're far, they're near, they're here, they're quick and slick, they're insincere. Beware, 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 beware. The Heffalump is very confusing. The Heffalump or Woozle's very size. They come in ones and twos, but if they so chooses, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. They're extraordinary, so never be wary, because they come with every shape and size. If only what you love, you'll find that they love it, because they love so love when you rise. They're white, they're round, they're square, they're terrible sight. They tie themselves in horrible knots. They come in stripes, polka dots. Beware, 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 beware.
Is it raining in there? It's raining out here too.